everybody, it's Nazara from Nazarasfinecrafts, and today we're going to learn how to do a double crochet wrap stitch. So it's basically a double crochet wrapped with a double crochet. It counts as 2 stitches. So I am using the Woolies Thick and Quick, which is a super bulky 6 weight with a 11.5 millimeter hook. If you like these kind of videos, then give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. This is a really popular stitch right now, so I figured I would go ahead and do a tutorial on it. So go ahead and do your foundation chain. It usually is done in odd numbers, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I'm going to do a tester chain of 19. Yes, I'm not in the same room that I'm normally in. It's actually occupied right now, so I'm doing this at my dining room table, so sorry about the noise. It's a little more echoey in this area because I have a great room. Shh. And the kids are right there watching TV. So you do your foundation chain, and then you do your foundation row. So this could be single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, whatever you want. So for the purpose of this one, I'm going to go ahead and do half double crochet in the second chain from the hook, and then do that all the way across. So then it'll be in even numbers. And I will meet you when this row is finished. Okay, so here's your foundation row. So for the double crochet wrap stitch, you're going to do chain 2, turn your work. You're going to yarn over and do a double crochet in the same stitch as your chain. So 1 double crochet. Then you're going to skip 1 and double crochet in the next. So 1 double crochet. And this is how you do the actual wrap. So you're going to yarn over, you're going to go into that big space between the double crochets, yarn over again, pull through that space, so now you have 3 chains on your hook. You're going to pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. So if you can see, you got your first 2, your chain and your double crochet, and then you have this double crochet wrap here, which counts as 2 chains. So you're going to skip a stitch, double crochet in the next one, and then you're going to yarn over, go between the double crochets, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you're going to do this across. So skip 1, double crochet in the next. Sorry about that, double crochet. So, and then you're going to wrap. So yarn over, go between the 2 double crochets, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So do that all the way across. Skip 1, double crochet around that. So that's the double crochet wrap. So when you get to where you only have 3 left, you're going to skip 1 and just double crochet, and then double crochet again in the chain. So don't do the double crochet wrap. So it builds kind of a wall on the end here. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So once again, chain 2, turn your work, This time we're going to not chain in the same, we're going to chain in the next double crochet. And then you're going to skip one, and you always use this chain of the double crochet wrap. So double crochet, and you just do the wrap again. Skip one, double crochet, double crochet wrap. Okay, so for this one, you're going to do the double crochet wrap in that last double crochet. And then you're going to double crochet in the next DC. And then double crochet in your chain. And that's how you do the double crochet wrap. So you can do this as long as you want or as wide as you want, but that's what it makes. So if you like this tutorial, then give it a thumbs up, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.